Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Combination Switch Assembly Replacement Guide. Ever struggled with malfunctioning lights, wipers, or turn signals in your car? The culprit could be a faulty combination switch assembly. This crucial component handles multiple functions in your vehicle, like activating your headlights and operating your turn signals. When it starts failing, you might notice your signals flickering or not working at all, or your windshield wipers only working intermittently. Knowing how to replace this assembly can save you from hefty repair bills and keep your vehicle safe on the road. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about identifying and replacing a problematic combination switch assembly. Stay tuned to get your car's controls back in top shape. What is a combination switch assembly? A combination switch assembly is a central hub for controlling various functions in your vehicle. It integrates several switches into one compact unit, allowing you to manage different systems like turn signals, headlights, wipers, and hazard lights from a single location. This setup not only simplifies the dashboard design but also enhances safety by making it easier to control these essential functions while driving. Components of a combination switch assembly. The combination switch assembly consists of various subcomponents, each responsible for a specific function. Here's a list of the main parts that make up this assembly. Turn signal switch. This component controls the left and right turn signals. It's usually operated through a lever that you push up or down to indicate your turning direction. Wiper switch. This switch manages the windshield wipers. It typically allows you to adjust the speed of the wipers and sometimes includes a function for the rear wiper if your vehicle has one. Headlight switch. This part controls the headlights, including low beam, high beam, and sometimes even the parking lights. You can usually switch between different light settings by twisting or pulling the lever. Hazard light switch. This switch activates all four turn signals simultaneously, warning other drivers that your vehicle is stationary or in an emergency situation. It's often a push button located on the same lever as the turn signals or on the dashboard. Functions of the combination switch assembly. Each component in the combination switch assembly plays a crucial role in vehicle operation and safety. Let's break down the functions of each. Turn signal switch. This switch is essential for safe driving. It alerts other drivers about your intent to turn or change lanes, helping to prevent accidents. Wiper switch. The windshield wipers are vital for maintaining visibility during rain or snow. Being able to control their speed ensures you can see clearly no matter the weather conditions. Headlight switch. Proper lighting is crucial for night driving and poor weather conditions. This switch lets you easily switch between different light modes, ensuring you have the right amount of illumination at all times. Hazard light switch. This function is critical in emergencies. Activating the hazard lights warns other drivers that your vehicle is stopped or moving slowly, helping to prevent collisions. By understanding the different components and their functions, you can appreciate the importance of the combination switch assembly in your vehicle. This knowledge is not only helpful for maintenance but also crucial for safe driving. Common signs of a faulty combination switch assembly. Is your car acting up with annoying light or wiper issues? The combination switch assembly could be the problem. Let's dive into some typical signs that indicate this essential component needs replacing. Malfunctioning turn signals. One of the first signs of a faulty combination switch assembly is your turn signals acting up. You might notice inconsistent operation. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. No response. You flip the lever, and nothing happens. Flashing too fast or too slow. This unusual behavior can be distracting and dangerous. Imagine trying to signal a turn and the signal randomly stops working. Not only is this frustrating, but it's also a safety hazard. If any of these issues sound familiar, it's time to pay attention. Inoperative wipers. Another telltale sign is your windshield wipers not working as they should. Look for these symptoms. Wipers won't turn on. You twist the switch, but nothing happens. Intermittent operation. They work sporadically, leaving you guessing whether you'll have a clear view in the rain. Speed issues. The wipers only work on one speed, or they don't adjust as they should. Driving in the rain or snow with faulty wipers isn't just a nuisance, it's downright dangerous. If your wipers are acting up, the combination switch assembly might be to blame. Headlights not turning on or off. Headlights are crucial, especially while driving at night or in poor weather. When the combination switch assembly fails, you might observe headlights won't turn on. No matter how many times you try, your headlights stay off. Stuck in one setting. They won't switch between high and low beams. Lights flicker. This can be distracting and can confuse other drivers on the road. Imagine driving at night with no headlights. Scary, right? If you're experiencing any of these issues, it's high time to consider a replacement. Hazard lights not working. Hazard lights are essential for signaling emergencies. When they malfunction, it can be a sign of a deeper problem within the combination switch assembly. Watch out for no response. Press the hazard button and nothing happens. Intermittent operation. Sometimes they work, other times they don't. One side only. Only one side of the lights blinks, which can confuse other road users. Think about being stuck on the side of the road at night with no hazard lights. It's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. If this sounds like your car, don't ignore the signs. Spotting these symptoms early can save you from bigger headaches down the road. If your turn signals, wipers, headlights, or hazard lights are acting up, it's time to consider that your combination switch assembly might need replacing. Tools and materials needed for replacement. Getting ready to replace your car's combination switch assembly? First, gather all the tools and materials you'll need. Having everything on hand makes the job smoother and faster. Here's a breakdown of what you'll need. Tools needed. To tackle this project, you'll need a variety of common tools. These will help you remove panels, unscrew bolts, and disconnect electrical components. Here's a detailed list. Screwdrivers. Both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers are essential. You'll use them to remove screws and panels around the steering column. Socket set. A good socket set with various sizes will help you remove the bolts that hold the switch assembly in place. Trim removal tools. These plastic tools are essential for prying off trim pieces without scratching or damaging them. Needle nose pliers. Handy for grabbing and pulling small clips and wires. Torx drivers. Some vehicles use Torx screws instead of traditional ones, so having a set of these drivers can be crucial. Materials needed. When it comes to materials, having the right parts and extras ensures the replacement goes smoothly. Here's what you should have ready. Combination switch assembly. This is the star of the show, the main part you're replacing. Make sure you get the right model for your vehicle. Electrical tape. Useful for securing any wires or connections you might need to repair or replace. Connectors. These might be necessary if you need to replace any damaged wiring or connectors. Zip ties. Great for keeping wires organized and out of the way. Cleaning cloth. For wiping down any dirty or dusty areas inside the steering column. Having the right tools and materials ready can make replacing the combination switch assembly a straightforward task. So, double-check your toolbox and materials list before you start. And that's it for part 1 of our combination switch assembly replacement guide. We've covered how to prepare your vehicle and remove the steering column covers. In the next video, we'll dive into disconnecting the old switch assembly and installing the new one. Don't miss part 2. See you there. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.